Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chloe English Corner, where we make learning English slow, simple, and clear. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Leo. Chloe, I'm glad to be here today. Honestly, it's been a day.
Oh, Leo, I can hear it in your voice. A long day, huh? Leo, tell me what happened.
Well, where do I even begin? This morning, I walked into the office feeling okay. Had my coffee, ready to tackle emails, but then things just went sideways. I said something very simple, and suddenly my colleague looked at me like I had two heads.
Two heads? Oh dear, that sounds like a classic lost in translation moment. Today we're going to talk about something incredibly common but often overlooked: office communication. Specifically, those small phrases that can cause big problems, especially when you're speaking English in a global workplace.
Exactly. I thought I was being polite, but it turned into a huge misunderstanding. I'm still trying to figure out what I did wrong.
Don't worry, Leo. Many people feel this way. It's not just about grammar, it's about cultural context. Sometimes a phrase that's perfectly fine in one culture can be, well, a little bit of a disaster in another. And today we're going to uncover one surprising phrase that almost everyone uses, but it can actually undermine your professionalism and even create conflict in the office.
Oh, really? Now I'm worried. What is it?
We'll get to that. But first, before we dive into today's little communication mystery, a quick request. If you're enjoying our lessons and find them helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. It helps more learners find our corner. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who's also learning English. Thank you. We really appreciate your support. Okay, Leo. So tell us more about your morning. What happened right after you said that simple thing?
Well, I was in a meeting, a very important one, about a new project. My manager, Maria, was explaining something. I want to show that I was listening and understanding. So I said, "Oh, I think I understand."
I think I understand. Interesting. And how did Maria react?
She paused, looked at me, and then sighed. She said, "Leo, if you think you understand, then you probably don't. This project is too important for thinking." I was so embarrassed. I just wanted to sound cooperative, not doubtful.
Ah, there it is. This is our first crucial point today, everyone. The phrase, I think I understand, might seem polite or even humble, but in many professional English speaking environments, it can actually signal uncertainty, lack of confidence, or even a hint of resistance.
Wait, really? I always thought it was a way to be modest, like not saying I know everything.
That's a very common and understandable interpretation, Leo, and that's why this is such an important lesson. In some cultures, it's polite to be less direct. But in a fast-paced English-speaking workplace, especially with deadlines, your colleagues and managers need to know you are certain and committed. Saying, I think I understand, can make them wonder if they need to repeat themselves or if you're actually going to deliver.
Wow. So, what should I have said? What's a better, simpler way?
Great question. Instead of I think I understand, you can use much clearer and more confident phrases. For example, I understand. Got it. I'm clear on that. Thanks, that makes sense. Let's practice, Leo. Imagine Maria just explained a task. How would you respond now?
Okay, I understand, Maria. Thank you. Or, got it. I'll start on that.
Perfect. See how much clearer and more confident that sounds? It removes any doubt.
This is a huge revelation for me. I've been saying I think I understand for years. No wonder some of my colleagues looked confused sometimes.
It happens to the best of us. Now, Leo, you mentioned things went sideways. Was there another specific moment of conflict or misunderstanding today?
Yes! Later, I was trying to suggest a new idea during a team brainstorming session. I started by saying, this might be a silly idea, but
This might be a silly idea, but another classic. Everyone listening, this is our second crucial point. While humility is a wonderful quality, starting your ideas with phrases that diminish your own contribution can actually weaken your message and your professional image.
I didn't want to sound arrogant. I just wanted to open the door for feedback.
And that's a good intention. However, when you introduce your idea as silly or just an idea, you're subtly telling others not to take it seriously. You're setting it up for dismissal before anyone has even heard it. In a professional setting, especially when you're contributing to problem solving, it's important to present your ideas with conviction.
So, what's a better way to introduce an idea without sounding overconfident?
You can be confident and open to feedback. Try these simple, clear phrases. I have an idea for this. I'd like to suggest, what if we tried? Here's my proposal. Let's role play a bit, Leo. Imagine you're in that brainstorming meeting again, and you have that great new idea. How would you present it?
Okay, I would say I have an idea for improving our marketing strategy. What if we tried using more short videos on social media?
Excellent, Leo. See how much more impactful that is? You're confident, clear, and you're inviting discussion without undermining your own suggestion.
Wow, Chloe, these small changes make such a big difference. It's like I've been speaking a different language this whole time, even though it was English.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of learning English with context. It's not just about the words, but about how they land in different situations. These aren't just tips, they are game changers for your professional communication. So, to recap our big takeaways today, instead of I think I understand, go for I understand, got it, or I'm clear on that. Be confident. Instead of this might be a silly idea, but try I have an idea for this, or what if we tried? Present your ideas strongly.
I feel like I've just unlocked a secret level in English communication. Thanks, Chloe. I'm gonna try these tomorrow.
That's the spirit, Leo. Practice makes perfect. Remember, at Chloe English Corner, we want you to feel confident and stress-free when you speak English. Small, simple changes can lead to huge improvements. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us and learning about these crucial office communication tips.
Yes, thank you everyone. I certainly learned a lot today.
Before you go, we have a question for you in the comments below. Tell us, have you ever had a communication misunderstanding at work, especially when speaking English? What phrase caused it? We'd love to hear your stories and learn together.
Yes, share your experiences. We read every comment.
Okay, see you next time in Chloe English Corner. Bye, everyone.
Bye.